Slip and fall accidents in California, public versus private property. When you experience a slip and fall, the impact extends beyond the immediate physical injuries. The setting of the accident, and whether on public or private property, plays a major role in determining how the legal process unfolds. In California, the classification of property affects the obligations of the property owners toward maintaining safety and preventing accidents. Public property. This includes property owned by government entities such as city, county, or state governments. Sample cases of slip and fall on private property include sidewalks, public parks, and buildings like libraries and city halls. Private property. This includes land and buildings owned by individuals, companies, or non-governmental organizations. Examples of slip and fall in a public place include residential homes, grocery stores, and private office buildings. The distinction is important because different standards of care and legal processes apply depending on the property type when a slip and fall accident occurs. Differences in claims on private versus public property. Slip and fall on private property. When an accident happens and you are injured on private property, the claim typically involves dealing directly with the property owner or their insurance company. Proving negligence usually centers on showing that the owner failed to address a known hazard. Slip and fall in a public place. Claims against public entities are more procedurally bound. In California, you must file a claim within 6 months of the injury. Public entities also enjoy certain immunities, which can make these claims more challenging. The claimant must go through specific procedural rules that don't apply to private property claims. Why legal assistance is valuable. Handling a claim for slip and fall accidents in California requires not just understanding the specific legal standards that apply, but also strategic handling of the claim process. A personal injury attorney with experience in slip and fall cases can offer invaluable assistance. If you've been injured in a slip and fall accident, whether on public or private property in California, reach out for professional legal help. The attorneys at RTM Law Firm have the expertise to guide you toward obtaining the medical care you need and the compensation you deserve. RTM Law, your trusted injury attorneys.